In the bustling city, a pet parrot swept away on a windy day found himself miles away from home. His family, heartbroken, began a relentless search, scattering hope in every poster and call made. Weeks passed, yet the bond endured across distance and time. Then one day, amidst morning calls, a familiar chirp echoed through their garden. The parrot, touched by instinct and memory, had found his way back. The family's joyful tears mirrored the parrot's excited flutters, marking an unbelievable reunion. This miraculous story of resilience and hope reminds us of the unyielding bonds we share with our pets. For more stories that inspire, like, subscribe, and bring awareness to our loyal companions.